Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your dash tweeters. You're going to need your panel removal tool and a 10mm ratcheting wrench. Then you want to be really careful not to scratch your dash or hit your windshield. Okay, so to remove your wiring harness, you're going to be pushing on this tab right here, and once you push on that, it should slide right out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove my center tweeter on my dash. Go ahead and just slowly pry this off. Be careful because there are wires attached to this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just carefully turn this out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and take my 10mm socket, and now that these bolts are removed, I can go ahead and disconnect this harness as well. Again, there's going to be a tab underneath. Press and pull. Okay, so I have removed my passenger side tweeter, my center tweeter, and go ahead and follow the same steps for your driver's side.